Hi, and welcome to Taromovies.
Hi.
I'm out here today with my friend and trainer partner Roman, and it was raining as hell the last few days here in the Swiss mountains, so everything is very wet and damp. Our plan for today is build a kind of shelter system with a little fire inside, cook something nice and stay overnight. And if you like, please join us. What we have here is now a 3 meter tarp, which we set up like a kind of lean on. And what we're gonna do is having a second ridge line, which is higher than this one here, and on the other side of those two trees. And then we do a second lean on with a 3 meter tarp and have here a kind of gap between it where the smoke can get away like a chimney. And it's also protected from the rain. So that's quite a challenge, that high without a ladder, but you can see with some little improvised tools, even that is possible. Finally, that's our basic setup, and believe me, we both feel about 10 centimeters taller now after that. What we're gonna do now is we pull those attachment loops in the middle out so we get even more space inside, and we will close the backside with a third tarp so the heat will stay inside our tarp construction. So now that behind us is huge, let's have a look inside. And it's even huge inside. But remember, we need this size and we need this high because we don't want to get our tarp damaged by the heat of the fire. Next step is to close the backside and then prepare firewood. That's actually already very cozy in here with the closed backside, just perfect. Of course there are some gaps, and those gaps are important, as I said before, for the airflow. Now we get our backpacks inside, get a bit organized and start to prepare firewood. Ja. The wood is very, very wet. What we are doing now is splitting the wood, trying to get to the core and making such fine sticks out of the dry core to produce enough heat that the other wood around can dry and burn as well. Finally we have our fire, and preparing all this firewood under such wet circumstances took us at least as long as we needed to build our tarp construction up. You can see here that and you can hear that the wood is very wet, and we place the wet wood around our hobo stove here so it can dry. And now it's time to relax a little bit, maybe have a beer. Guys, I'll tell you, that is so cozy in here. It's quite warm. We have this open space to enjoy nature, and we're looking forward to this, hopefully, delicious goulash. So our dinner is ready. Our goulash. That looks very, very delicious. So Roman, where's your pen? That's a big one for sure. Big boy needs a big one. After all this hard work, it's just perfect. Roman, it's already in his sleeping bag. Good night, Roman.
Good night, bye-bye, sleep well.
And I'm also already in my cozy and relaxing position. And I hope we have a comfortable night. See you tomorrow, guys. Maybe. Good morning.
Good morning.
So I had a warm and cozy night in my sleeping bag. I hope so. You too, Roman?
Yes.
And as you can hear, maybe it started to rain overnight. And it's a really nice feeling to wake up with the sound and noises of the forest and the raindrops on the tarps. It's about 8 a.m. and I'm looking forward to a cup of coffee. There is no hurry to make breakfast because of the rainy weather. I guess we start to move further on in a couple of hours when the rain is gone.
Dankeschön, Taro.
You're welcome. After our breakfast, we are still enjoying some time up here. And as you could see, this setup with the little fire inside worked very, very well for us. Of course, it's not a setup for very windy conditions, but here under such a wet and damp environment, it was just perfect for us. We hope you enjoyed our overnighter as we did, and I will put all the information about our used gear and equipment beneath in the description box of the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and give us a thumb up. I would be very happy if you join Taromovies the next time again. Tschüss
Ciao.
und bye bye.